Ich würde am liebsten weiterzocken, ohne Scheiß. Das ist so geil. Es ist einfach zu geil.
Ja, 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 ja. Aha, aha.
Einfach zum Entspannen. Ja. Gucken wir noch.
Excellent.
Ja, 420.
Yeah,
Doch eine
it's great,
gute
boss.
Zeit. Gute Zeit.
And this is just a taste. I got a line on a whole shipment of
Hey, Sim.
Cameroons that have been impounded by customs. You guys are going to grab them.
You want us to boost cigars?
Das mit den Zigarren sagt mir
Something
auch.
wrong with that? Customers in our nightclubs are paid through the nose for quality cigars.
Still, it seems... I don't know. Small time.
I just knew you were a smart one, Tom. Can't put nothing past you. Small time is exactly right. That's how it's supposed to look anyhow. The cigars are just a cover for a shipment of hot ice. The smuggled diamonds have been hidden in some of the boxes. The feds
Ice.
haven't found them yet.
We're stealing diamonds from the feds?
Don't worry about it. I've already discussed
Ik
all
zie-
the
ik zie die
details with
artikel.
Sam here. He'll fill you in. Now, I got a meeting with the mayor at his favorite gentleman's club. Work out the details together. But I want those cigars back here before anyone catches on to the real loot. You got it?
Sure, boss.
Great. And don't drink all the good stuff while I'm gone.
You know about this?
Boss and I worked it out last night. We got a plan. Now, I'm not saying it's a good plan, but it won't get us killed. Probably.
So what then? We got a guy on the inside or something?
No. We gotta do this on our own. And it'll be rough. Cigars are packed in crates at the harbor.
Shit. The place will be crawling with security.
Yeah. Brute force won't work. Gotta play this one cool. So we're gonna steal a customs truck. Slip right in.
Christ. And kill the poor bastard driver.
No. We'll just scare him a bit. All we need is his paperwork.
Right. We don't need the hassle of dumping a body. Come on. See if we can get eyes on a customs truck down by the docks.
You alright, Tom?
Ich will so gerne weiterspielen. Oh, ich gehe
Just
das
trying to
Game
figure
da
out
gleich
the
noch.
angle is up.
What's there to figure? Boss says a job needs doing, we're doing it.
Just seems like a lot to put on the line. Even for some
Es ist
diamonds.
einfach so ein geiles Spiel, Mann.
The feds pinch us. We could do serious time.
Then let's make sure we don't get caught. Right?
Yeah.
Ich traue irgendwie dem Poli eben nicht mehr. Ich glaube, der Poli macht noch irgendwie Scheiße. Ey, also ich habe es gesehen, Arti, aber ich glaube, es ist schon 24 gewesen. Das hat schon gepasst.
All I need is a stiff drink.
For Christ's sakes, Polly, just lay off for one night, please.
Soll ich noch eine machen? Aber das ist jetzt wirklich die letzte. Das ist die allerletzte. Es gibt immer eine letzte und eine letzte. Das ist echt die letzte Mission. Wie muss ich das am Gocki fahren? So ein grüner. Was ist das? Okay. Mehrere Jungen.
Will you relax? You're making me nervous playing around with your piece like that.
Sorry. Just got a lot on my mind is all.
That's so. I'd have figured there wasn't enough room up there.
Go ahead and laugh, assholes. You guys are done. I don't think I got plans. But you're wrong. I got big plans.
Yeah? Spill it then. What are you working on?
Been thinking about hitting up a savings and loan downtown.
You want to rob a bank?
Sure. I've been casing the place for months. I got it all worked out. Drei. Just need a few guys I can count on to watch my back.
Robbing a bank, that's a little out of our league.
We're robbing the fucking feds, ain't we? What's the difference?
Salieri's the goddamn difference, you nitwit. The Don sent us to steal these cigars. Ain't no way he sanctions a bank job.
Well, then we don't tell him.
You want to step out on the Don?
No. Not really. We can cut him in after we make the score. He'll be bent, sure, but he won't stay mad once he gets his share.
I don't know, Polly.
Yeah, I fucking know. You do what you want. I won't say nothing. Yeah, I owe you that much. But Salieri? Well, he finds out you're going behind his back, you'll be planted right next to Morello. You ask me, there ain't no haul worth that.
He's right, Polly. You bring it to the Don or let it go.
Yeah. Just get to daydreaming, you know?
Wake up. We're here. Tom, you take the car. Find a customs truck and meet us near the impound. Me and Polly, we'll go get the rest of the gear.
Right. You got your head together.
Yeah. Sober as a priest.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Hey, you're busting my balls. I'm good.
Er ist nicht bei der Sache. Finde und stiehl einen Zolllaster. Okay.
He's gone. Go back to patrols. We'll get him next time.
The Lost Heaven Art Gallery welcomes you to their upcoming exhibit. Bear witness to the rise and fall of empires. Since time began, the fortunes of civilization have been entwined with the prosperity or decline of great empires.
Noch diese eine
Reserve your
Mission, Chef.
ticket and see the exhibit that is sure to have everyone talking.
Wann ist hier Schluss? Nach der Mission ist.
Park up over there, Tom.
Where's my uniform?
This is all we got, pal. Besides, there's only room for two in the cab.
You can ride in the back. Sure you keep your head down or this whole thing is blown.
Forget about it. I know when to keep my head down.
Make you say that to all the girls.
Come on.
Well.
Let's get moving.
All right. Jesus Christ.
Ja.
Back there, Tom!
What the hell do you think? What's the plan when we get to the impound?
I don't know. We look for crates that came from Cameroon or something. The cigar flakes.
You know how big the impound is?
Relax. It'll be empty this time of night. We'll have the run of the place.
You got your papers?
Crap.
Weißt du, einfach,
Yeah.
meinst,
Pete.
es läuft einer da rein und dann sieht man gerade.
What was that?
What was what?
What?
Here you go, pal.
All right, go through. Busy night tonight. You might not find a spot.
Hear that? There's gonna be guys everywhere.
It'll be fine. We just gotta think on our feet.
Thinking on my feet is my worst thing, Sam. You know that.
What kind of time do you guys call this? We need to have gone through these shipments by sunup.
Yeah. Sorry, I couldn't find our papers. But we found them again.
Just show us what to do, pal. We're no.
We're all new, buddy. It's just that some of us know what time we gotta clock in. Come with me.
Ja, ja, ja. Ja, ja, ja.
Okay, Tom, looks like it's on you. Get into the warehouse and find a cigar crate that's hiding the diamonds.
Okay.
The
Records
diamonds.
on everything here. So search their files. They're looking for Cameroon cigars that came in on a boat called the Bohemian. Shipped off on Tuesday, 23rd. Got that?
Yeah.
Don't get caught. Don't get seen. Find us when you're done.
Kamerun, Bohemian, irgendwas, Tuesday, 23rd. Ja.
Why should I listen to a guy like you?
Schüsse werden
I got
Alarm.
guys working overtime tonight.
Even in a haystack ain't you fucking word. Look for something. Anything out of place.
Where are we gonna get through all these crates? Not even in a week.
So you get paid for a week. Quit complaining.
Patz. Easy, oder? Ninja. Cameroons. Bohemien beschlagnahmt haben.
Huh. This'll help.
Okay, da findet man wieder so Hinweise, wie auch schon. Mit dem Zimmer dort.
Come on,
Also es wird
fellas, let's speed this up. Once we're done with the small crates, we start cracking open the big ones next door.
Money's good. Boy, these feds
Der
are
muss weg.
assholes. Must have been through 100 maxes all.
Der muss weg hier. Oh, ein Sekret da vorne. Was ist der Hut? Wie kann man mit dem Hut unauffällig sein? Wie meinst du? Wenn die mich nicht sehen, sehen die mich nicht. Ob Hut oder nicht. Oder? Cigars, Antec, Bohemian, D2. D2-Chat.
Interesting.
D2, okay, das muss ich gar nicht merken. Hey Archie, good night. Good night. Schlafst gut. So bist du da gewesen. Erhol dich. Weil der Hut über die Brüstung rüberragt. Ach so. Ja, hast ja recht. Hast ja. Hast ja. Hey. Ich hab's danken. Ich hab's danken. Sind in Sektor D2. Noch mehr Hinweise.
Nice.
Hey, du Knaller, du.
None of this is any use.
Ey, merci vielmals. Merci vielmals für 69 Bits. Obendrauf. Für die ganzen anderen Bits natürlich. Hey, merci, schlafst gut, gell? Träumt was Geiles. Das ist alles Garbage, oder? Das brauchen wir nicht. Okay, ja. Das ist der Simpel, oder?
Nah,
Dort.
nothing.
Das ist simpel. Guck. So stelle ich mir simpel vor.
Drei.
Ja. Merci vielmals für 3 Bits nochmal. Ja, merci. Vielen Dank, vielen Dank. Guckt ihn euch an, Chat! Einfach Onkel Adolf. Ei. Stimmt, da ging es ja schon los. 33 kam der so an die Macht, glaube ich, oder? Mehr oder weniger. Sudetenland, ja. So begann es. Wild, hey. Einfach Onkel Adolf. Hey. Von wo komme ich? Von dort, oder? Ah ja, hätte ich die können runter. Hätte ich da runtergegangen? Gut, ich kann ja da hin, aber... Adi! Das ist nicht er. Wie, das ist nicht er? Sicher ist das. Das ist sogar der echte, oder? Das ist der allerechte. Das ist einfach ein echtes Bild einfach, oder? Ja. Hey, bitte, gern geschehen. Wo Männer noch Schnurrbärte trugen, oder? Als es noch in war. What? Ey, was so? Was? Was war das denn jetzt? Was war das denn jetzt? Bitte. Was kommt der einfach zu sprinten? Das ist bescheuert. Das war doch jetzt bescheuert, oder? Gar nicht checkt. Was haben wir denn da sonst noch für eins? Ja, ein bisschen Aprikosengumpfi. Da noch ein bisschen Senf. Ja. Da noch irgendwie Check 3D oder so. Irgendwelche Backpulver. Haben wir da keine guten? Haben wir da keine Sekreten? Keine Sekreten. Okay, okay. Oh oh. Hey, aber was ist der andere einfach so zu sprinten? Das ist eine Frechheit. Hat es denn da irgendwo Sektor, also Dingens? Ich meine, hier ist ja Außenbereich. Gut, das zeigt mir ja, wo ich muss hin, eigentlich. Schau, der Schatten, der sieht es nicht. Er hat ja nichts gemerkt, du. Diese Tüte. Diese Tüte. Werden sie jetzt markieren? Ja, ja, eigentlich schon. Wenn man so in die Nähe kommt, sieht man die auf der Minimap.
Crap. Place is huge.
Okay, boys. Check each crate, then we'll start cracking them open.
There's hundreds.
Yeah, then lucky you. Having all night to search.
Okay, ich muss auch schauen. Ja, die zwei wissen wir. Wir wissen es ja schon.
This'll help.
Wir wissen es ja schon. Ninja. Ninja! Ich brauche immer noch einen Ninja-Command. Wir schleichen einfach durch.
Found him!
Sounds like we got trouble.
Oder auch nicht. Ich könnte den schon umleuchten. Ich muss ihn einfach zwischen den Säulen umlassen. Ist knapp, ist knapp. Gereicht. Darf ich nicht schiessen, also. Ich würde eigentlich nicht so drauf. Aber das ist gut, wenn der weg ist, dann habe ich da oben, oder? Ja. Das ist gut. B2. Da ist es ja. Cameroon.
No cigars, no diamonds.
No diamonds. Aber wo jetzt da D2 ist, steht nirgends, oder? Also das muss ich nicht schauen. Es ist einfach irgendwo da. Da ist C2. Da ist A2. Okay. Steht also doch irgendwie. Okay, das war jetzt ein bisschen knapp. Knapp. Na gut, ich muss eigentlich da gar nicht schauen, oder?
Keep turning up, squad.
Das ist ja da hinten eigentlich. Hinten steht D2, also gehen wir einfach dort hin. Aber ich muss halt hier da alles rundherum laufen. Ja, natürlich muss er sich genau tun. So. Mein Nix. Keine Sekreten hier mehr. Da ist auf jeden Fall D2, oder? Oder dort hinten. Wahrscheinlich das Hinterste. Ist ja wahrscheinlich logisch das Hinterste. Ist ja logisch, ist es das Hinterste. Dort. Weil da ist C. Da ist doch die gestanden, oder? Keine Ahnung. Irgendwo da könnte es sein. Das ist es nicht.
Here either.
Dort ist es.
Ah, jeez, give me a break.
Da ist es.
Found them.
Found them. Hab's gesagt. Hab's ja gesagt.
There he is.
Sure we're getting what we came for.
We're aces, boys.
Good. Let's get them loaded and get out of here.
Fast zu easy, oder? Es passiert noch etwas. Kommen gleich welche.
That's the last of them.
Let's dangle. I'm not riding in the back again.
You're a better wheelman anyway. Just don't drive us into the bay.
Shit. You hear that? Okay, Tom, gun it.
Let's
What?
go! Let's go! Jesus,
Why?
Tom, it ain't comfortable back here, huh?
Through the gates! There's been a break-in at the Federal Customs Impound.
Ja, Lux, der Karre ist halt schon fast kaputt.
I want roadblocks everywhere.
Every cop in town's gonna be on their way.
So let's get out of sight. Fast as you can, Tom.
Road's closed up ahead.
Find another way. If we get seen, they'll raise hell.
Ja, ich hab gedacht, da kann ich reinfahren. Aber nicht. Ach, ich muss ja gar nicht so rasen, die verfolgen mich ja gar nicht. Oder nicht mehr?
Feels like we left them behind. Yeah, hopefully.
Where the hell were you back in the compound?
Abgehängt.
We were about to give up.
The place was a maze. It's a miracle I found the crates.
Next time we pull something like this, we need a better plan. More information.
A better
Was
plan?
ist ja voll
He
easy
got the
gewesen.
ice, didn't he?
Yeah, but next time...
Well, next time what? We run it all through you? And scores like these are your best thing?
Guys, I'm trying to drive here. Let's get back to the warehouse
How many
without
cops they
LSPD
got out
on our
here?
tail, huh?
Gotta take a different route.
We got the diamonds, the boss will be happy. That's all that matters right now.
Those rocks had better be as big as the goddamn ridge for all the crates we had to
Wäre
move
ich fast in die
tonight.
scheiß Strassensperre gefahren. Ah, hier ist das. Ja, haben wir es geschafft, aber da kommt es nicht.
Hey, Polly! You okay?
Yeah, a couple of these crates are shot to shit though.
How bad is it?
It's the worst of it.
Don't too good. Don's gonna be pissed if we ruined any of the cigars.
What the hell?
Christ.
Oh no.
It's dope.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Where are the diamonds?
There ain't any. This is the real score.
No. No. Don said we would get diamonds.
You can open every box, you're not gonna find them.
We put our fucking necks out on the line for this shit.
Looks like it.
You better cool off, Polly. The Don's coming.
Shit. We don't say nothing about this to the Don. Okay, if he wanted us to know, he would have told us.
You should have come clean.
Sure, but for now, we keep our trap shut. Right?
Yeah, okay.
Paulie?
Yeah, I ain't saying nothing.
Any problems, boys?
One of the crates got a little banged up, is all.
All right? Oh, doesn't look too bad.
Might have lost a few cigars, but otherwise the merchandise should be okay, Mas.
Besides, ain't diamonds supposed to be the hardest thing around?
Outside of my cock, maybe.
Well, bravo, boys, bravo. You all got a well-deserved bonus coming your way.
You want us to unload the crates into the warehouse?
No, you can take a powder. These morons are gonna take it from here.
You sure?
What'd I say?
Okay, boss. We'll dangle.
Sam, give me a lift back to the bar.
Sure, boss. Guys coming?
Nah, we'll take the train.
Okay. See you later.
Later, Gator. Ja, die Drogen. Ist nicht gut. Warum hat der Don am Anfang gesagt, von wegen Drogen und so? Never.
I just about had it, Tommy. We got busted with all that smack, we would have died in prison.
Yeah, but what are you gonna do?
I already told you.
The bank.
Yeah. I don't care what Sam says. I'm getting that score.
How much you figure?
You want in?
We're just talking.
I knew I could count on you, pal.
We're just talking. Oh, okay.
So which bank?
Grand
Oh, this-
Imperial. Near North Park meets downtown.
No!
Yeah, been there. A while back.
Na,
Well,
aber
the
jetzt.
security don't
Nein.
look tight. Easy
Aber nicht
getaway.
jetzt.
Tellers who don't look
Nein.
like they put up a fight. Can't do it alone.
Bro.
Maybe. I'm not moving black tar for the Don. Especially if he's not cutting us in.
Gut, wir gehen jetzt ja wohl nicht direkt gerade in die Bank rein. Das kann nicht sein.
I just never want to be in that street again.
What street?
On my knees. Watching some poor skirt burn. Just because she
Nicht
got
mal
in my
für
way.
Mary.
It was the wrong place and the wrong time. Just tough luck.
Seems there ain't no other kind with us.
I'm telling you, Tom, this is perfect. I wouldn't have asked you to come in on this if I didn't think it was our ticket.
We'll see. I'm not signing up for the job until I see what's what.
Das Kapitel ist ja noch nicht abgeschlossen. Also die Mission ist eigentlich noch nicht fertig. Das ist immer noch die gleiche. Das ist immer noch dieselbe Mission hier jetzt.
You got a family to look after. I get that. But think about what this could mean for them.
Watch it, buddy. You're treading into enemy territory without a map.
Yeah. I don't know what it's like for you going home to your wife and kid, but that's why I'm doing this. Who's gonna marry me? Nearly 40 years old and nothing to show for it but my rap sheet. But we do this, I get enough scratch to finally get out? Who knows?
You're not built for the domestic life, Bobby. 6 months in, you'll put a bullet in your brain out of boredom.
Christ. I'm ready to punch my ticket right now. We sit around for 6 months, just playing cards and busting balls, and I start to get lazy. Then everything blows up and I gotta knock the rust off or I'm dead. One day I'm fighting to stay awake while the Don's telling us a story about the old days. One I've already heard 100 times, and the next day I'm getting shot at, trying to keep from shitting my pants. It's fucking wearing me out, Tommy.
So you're looking for the big one, though?
I know it's a snipe hunt. Every little mobster goes to bed dreaming about that last big score. But if we do this thing, I don't know. Might be just enough to get me a little pizzeria or something, you know?
Sure.
Er ist halt
But
ein
if we're doing
Romantiker,
this,
oder?
we're waiting until things calm down.
Ah, you're already hooked, pal.
Maybe.
Daniel. Einfach zum Entspannen. So, wir haben es geschafft.